Welcome back to Urban Walks 4K. Today we are exploring one of the most beautiful and futuristic places in Qatar, Msheireb Downtown Doha. Right in the heart of the city, Msheireb is not just a neighborhood, it's a vision of the future. Built on the site of Old Doha, this area blends Qatari heritage with the modern innovation in a way you won't see anywhere else. As you walk through these streets, notice the clean design, the white buildings, and the peaceful atmosphere. This is one of the most sustainable smart cities in the world. The architecture is inspired by traditional Qatari homes with shared walkways, narrow streets, and natural cooling designs to protect from the desert heat. Msheireb means a place to drink water in Arabic, a name that reflects its historical importance. Long before the skyscrapers, this area was one of the oldest commercial districts in Doha. One of the highlights here is Msheireb museums. These restored heritage houses tell powerful stories about Qatar's past from the discovery of oil to the country's social development. It's a journey through time. As we continue walking, you will see luxury hotels like Mandarin Oriental, stylish cafes, art installations, and open plazas where people gather, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere. At night, the area transforms with stunning lights, giving it a calm yet vibrant vibe. And don't forget, this is home to Education City Tram and Msheireb Tram, fully electric and environmentally friendly, connecting to the entire district smoothly and quietly. What makes Msheireb special is how it feels modern, but still deeply connecting to Qatari culture. It's not just buildings, it's community design and sustainability coming together. Whether you are visiting for a coffee, photography, shopping, or just a peaceful walk, Msheireb Downtown Doha offers a unique urban experience unlike anywhere else in the region. If you enjoy discovering beautiful places in 4K walking tours, make sure to like, subscribe, and join me one more amazing urban journeys. Good, good. एक गेड़ा फेर लो मैं गुजार हाँ अकाउंट से लोगों ने सुपरवाइजर ठीक है
हेलो कैसा طيب
ਅੱਜ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤੀ ਵਿਖਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਨਾ ਕਤਰ ਅੱਜ ਉਹ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤੀ ਵਿਖਾਵਾਂਗਾ ਨਾ ਕਤਰ ਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਯਾਦ है